think she's gonna take a nap.
Is he doing okay?
What's your favorite kind of milkshake?
I don't know.
His chairs are much nicer than the ones they have.
Something great at her wedding video.
Yeah, these ones are much nicer. See, look, they took the nice one over there. They have the machine sitting on it.
What did Jossie do today? Am I touching you?
Remember that guy who woke up and he said,
Jossie.
"You're my wife?" What do you want to say? You gonna say you're my sister?
No.
No, you don't want to say that? Okay. That's how you feel about it.
I just want to leave.
I know, we're going to leave in just a minute. You have to drink some water and then we get to go. And make sure you can swallow some water.
Ow.
I know, honey, I know. I know, baby.